How to fix pending payment on Shopify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pinmasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix pending payment on Shopify. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. In order to fix pending payment on Shopify, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your browser. You'll have to contact the customer support, so you want to search in for Shopify help contact. Then you can see the contact us link under Shopify. You can tap on it and head into it. Once you're here, you want to tap on visit help center and you want to head into the AI chat, so you can see ask assistance. Here you can type in pending payments, and once you have typed in your error, what you want to do is you want to tap on still need assistance option at the end. And you can see here, first you'll have to wait for processing, then check payment provider. You want to see any restrictions. You can see the customer notification. You can check the manual payment gateway or expired payments as well. So you see it says here, however, if you still have the problem, you can also ask the Shopify community, or you can contact the Shopify customer care directly. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.